Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, in the year 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.08. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of negative 0.23% since our initial recommendation to hold or accumulate. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.12%, since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 3.3% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.572% to 8.39%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 30.71% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 13.24% and 38%. This translates to a price range of $257.01 to $313.21 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Evaluation of Apple stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Apple stock price decreased by approximately 0.233% on the last day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024. The price dropped from $227.49 to $226.96. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 0.99%, ranging from a low of $226.41 to a high of $228.66. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days, resulting in a decline of 1.92% for this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive indication since volume should generally follow the stock's movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, leading to a total of 36 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.11 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $237.49 and a lowest price of $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 4.43%, or $10.53, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. In today's market update, Apple finds itself in a challenging position as Nvidia has raced ahead to become the world's most valuable company, surpassing Apple amid a surge in artificial intelligence chip demand. This development could have both immediate and long-term implications for Apple's stock price, potentially fueling investor concerns regarding its competitive edge. Additionally, recent reports highlight 3 significant warning signs for Apple's investors, suggesting that the company's latest results fell short of expectations. Coupled with a series of revised price targets from analysts reflecting a more cautious outlook, these developments might create downward pressure on Apple's shares in the short term. Compounding these challenges, Qualcomm's strong fourth-quarter earnings reveal growing concerns tied to Apple's plans for in-house chip development, which could hinder Qualcomm's performance and indirectly impact Apple as well. Qualcomm's shift and Apple's ambitions suggest a volatile competitive landscape that could affect future profitability and investor sentiment. Moreover, potential tariffs on Chinese imports discussed by former President Trump could lead to increased costs for Apple, further straining margins. As the company navigates these issues, investor focus will intensify on how Apple adapts to this changing environment, influencing its stock performance moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned Apple a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and so far, it has risen by approximately 2.23%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Apple stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, there is an overarching sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. Should the stock gain further, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $228.72. Conversely, if it declines, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $224.49. A breakthrough above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume declined alongside the price during the most recent trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by extended and significant gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 121 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has established support at $226.21 a level that may present a buying opportunity as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences solid trading volume, and given its minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.25, which is a change of 0.99% between its high and low points. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 1.41%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $228.20. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $226.21. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of November, 2024, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider purchase of 8,115 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sale of 3,985 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sale of 1,898 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sale of 2,077 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.673. In total, insiders purchased 2,069,882 shares and sold 3,603,722 shares in those 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $214.19, which represents a decline of 5.63%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, indicating a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open at approximately 38 cents higher and begin trading at $227.34. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, You acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.